It has been one of the hottest stocks that has been benefiting, of course, from what we call the AI trade. Shares of Sandisk, you can see. You don't see that too often, up 3,400% just over the last year. Of course, it's become a key player in serving the data center markets, the booming demand for memory, flash NAND, and things of that nature. The company just wrapped up its investor day right here in Manhattan, delivering bullish guidance into 2030. Joining us now in CNBC exclusive is Sandisk CEO David Goeckeler. This is his first interview in the world. Nice to have you here.
Hey, thanks for having me. It's great to be here. It's always great to be back in New York, especially here with all of you.
David, you know, your stock was up, Sandisk stock was up sharply yesterday after the investor day. In contrast to, I think, being down as much as 8% after you reported quarterly earnings that seemed very strong a week ago. Right. What did you guys, you had a strategy presentation yesterday. I'm not aware that you actually had any new financial results. So what do you make of that discrepancy? What did you kind of tell investors yesterday that you hadn't told them during the quarterly results?
Okay. So first of all, I mean, I think it's pretty clear our market and our company have been just going through enormous amounts of change over the last 2 years. I mean, we split off from Western Digital. I led that transformation 18 months ago. I think people really didn't understand the company, trying to figure out where it plays, how it plays. If you go back to that time, I think people were asking themselves, hey, do you really play in AI? You know, inference was not really the big focus. The focus was around training. Roll forward 18 months, and I think we've just seen an explosion in the market around inference. Right now, we're deploying AI globally. You know, luckily as a society, we have like very big hyperscale companies that can deploy new technology very quickly. I mean, I think this is one of the things that's happened in the last 10 years is we just have this frictionless deployment of new technology through a cloud that all of us can access. So that now has started to accelerate. You have all of these, you know, this ability to everybody to adopt this new technology all at once. I mean, that didn't happen 10 years ago. So you have this amazing explosion of inference, which is just an incredible technology. And it turns out, if you're going to scale that technology, you need our product. So I think all of those things have been happening. At the same time, we've been changing our company. We've been changing our portfolio. We've built the exact right products to fuel that growth. And when you put those two things together, people now understand who we are. They understand how we play, not just in AI, but across the whole spectrum.
They understand it in a way today that they didn't last week, though.
And we've been under construction. You know, we've been changing the business model as we go.
Well, you actually have something called your new business model strategy, right?
Exactly.
So tell us what exactly that is and how it differs from what you've been doing.
So we operate in a market that's traditionally been a very cyclical market. I think that's the big debate right now. And that cyclicality, in my opinion, is a product of the business model. On the supply side, we make decisions and investments 10 years out, 15 years out. We spend billions of dollars building fabs, and then we lock in a production plan for, let's say, the next 3, 4, 5 years. Traditionally, on the demand side, you know, the demand side shows up every quarter, and we have spectacular customers, the best companies in the world. But we really would negotiate price every quarter. So that would lead to this enormous volatility in the business. You have the supply side investing and making decisions a decade out. You really have the supply side together, or the demand side together with us, negotiating the price of that product every quarter. So that leads to just enormous volatility. That's what we're changing by asking the demand side for more visibility, and we're getting it.